Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to all, and we're going to be shopping at CVS today. I'm going to show you how we're going to get $176 worth of products for only $13. Yes, I said that, $176 worth of products for only $13. Let's get shopping and I'll show you how. All right, praisers and savers, you know I'm at my favorite aisle, believe it or not, but my children are, we're almost out of cereal at my house, which doesn't happen often, but when it does, Mama knows that she needs to stack up, and I think this is going to be the week to do that. So actually, I'm going to pick up 14 boxes of the General Mills. So I'm going to get some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, some Cheerios, just a variety of General Mills cereals. These are $1.99 on sale, and they're usually $5.99, so really great deal. Usually are $6, but getting them for $2 each. So what we're gonna do is I have a bunch of these General Mills coupons. These are, you buy 2 boxes, save $1. So I got the Cheerios, I got the regular ones. I'm gonna buy 14 boxes of this cereal. When I do, it's going to be $27.86. So 14 times $1.99 is $27.86. I'm going to use these coupons here. I'm using 7 of them. And the reason I'm using 7 is you have to buy 2. So 2 times 7 is 14 boxes. So 7 of these coupons. And then there are some CRTs on the app. There's a CRT for $5 off any food. And there's also a CRT when you spend... I can't remember, I think it was like $20 or something on cereal. I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. But there's a CRT for $5 off and a CRT for $4 off. So that's $9 in CRTs that I'm hoping to come off on this. And when I do that, I'll have the $7 in coupons plus the $9 in store coupons. It's going to leave me with a total of $11.86 with 14 boxes. So that's insane. I'm getting this cereal for less than $1 a box, and I'm hoping this might glitch as well, because sometimes this glitches and other coupons come off in the process. So I'll let you guys know at the end if it did glitch or not. So I went ahead and checked out with that transaction because my cart was full, but I did have it said $81 I saved. That's 97% savings for those 14 boxes of cereal. I did have the $5 off 25 any food purchase come off, and then whenever I applied my coupons, it came off. Like it didn't apply anymore. And then she tried to get it applied, it didn't. Oh well, whatever. The extra coupon on the app for the Big G cereals did apply, so that was an extra $1. So all in all, I had the $4 off 20 and the $2 off 8. I did expect the $2 off 8 to come off as well. I did want that $5 off 25 to come off, but it didn't, so I'll live. I did apply a $10 extra care buck from my previous transaction onto this one, so I only spent $2.86. So $2.86 is pretty amazing considering I needed those cereals, and that's 14 boxes of cereal. Let's keep shopping. So these paparazzis, you guys know this deal. If you buy 2 of them, they're only $5 when you buy 2. And we got an extra amazing extra care buck now. Usually we get a $4 extra care buck on this when we buy 2, but we have a $5 one, making this absolutely free. And then plus there's a $2 limit. A 2 item. Nope. Do it again. There's a limit of 2 per household, so we can do this deal twice. So we can get 4 bottles of nail polish for absolutely for free. So I'm going to pick some up and put it in my girl's stocking. Help me pick some colors. This mermaid color is pretty cool. Love that. Ooh, my girls would like this pink. Ooh, that pretty purple. And let's try something different. They would like this blue a lot. So I picked up all these paparazzis for absolutely for free. All right, we got an insane money maker on the Crest mouthwash and the Oral-B toothbrushes. So what we're going to do is all of these are $3.99. So $3.99, $3.99, $3.99, $3.99. That's going to equal $15.96. All right, so we have a $5 off coupon on the app for this, and a $1 off coupon on the app for this. So that's $6 in coupons. Then we have a $6 off CRT when we buy 4 products. We're buying 4 products at $6 CRT. And then we have an extra care buck. And this extra care buck is a $5 extra care buck for the toothbrushes and a $2 extra care buck for the mouthwash. So our total is going to be a money maker of $3.04. We're making 76 cents off of each item. That's insane. I haven't gotten something like that in a long time. So 76 cents we're making off of each item here. Let's do it. All right, so I don't like spending money on toothpaste, but I might glitch this deal. So we'll see what happens. So this is a spend 10, get $5 back in extra care bucks, and you can do this deal twice. So we're picking up 2 of these Colgate totals for $5.79. It'll be $11.58. Then we have a $4 coupon on the app, and then we'll get back $5 extra care bucks. So our total after our extra care bucks and our coupon is $2.58. I'm gonna try at the very end to see if I can use these dollar off coupons that I got from coupons.com. These are actually a higher value than the coupons that we got in the paper. The ones we got in the paper was only 50 cents. I'm gonna try at the end, so we'll see what happens, and I will let you know at the very end of this transaction. Alright, getting a really great deal on this Oral-B electric toothbrush. These are $6.99. There's a $2 coupon on the app, bringing this down to $4.99. And then we have a $4 extra care buck. So that's going to bring it down just to 99 cents per toothbrush, and you can do this deal up to 2 times per household. But I only have one of these coupons. I don't have any paper coupons, but getting this toothbrush for 99 cents is a pretty awesome deal. All right, my store is not marked very well with these sugar razors, but I finally found them. So these right here, the Extreme 3 4 counts, these are disposables. Okay, these are $5.99. So we're getting 3 of these, so it's gonna be $6, $12, $18. Okay, $18. We're gonna meet our $15 threshold. So it's gonna be $15. We buy all 3. Then we have a $5 extra care buck that's gonna come back for us. So that's gonna be $13 that we'll have. So we're at $13 now. We have a coupon that came out in yesterday's paper for this Smart Source 12.5. That's going to be $3, $3, and $3. We're using 3 of these coupons. That's $9 in coupons. So these razors are just going to cost us $4. So it's going to be 6, 12, 18. 18 minus 5 is 13. We're going to use 3 of these $3 coupons, bringing it down. So that's a really good deal on packs of razors. So these would be great stocking stuffers. All right, getting these really large bottles of Ajax for just $1.15 each. These are the 28 fluid ounces, so it's pretty big. These are usually $3.19. We're buying 2 of them. It's gonna be buy one, get one 50% off. On my spreadsheet, I'm gonna put buying 1, but you know we're buying 2. And when we buy 2, it's going to be $4.29. This is a no coupons needed deal. And then what we'll do after that is we'll get back $2 in extra care bucks, making this just $2.29 or $1.15 per bottle of Ajax. Alright guys, so I did have a problem with the $4 off for the Colgate. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe I'll come back and try it again because I have that deal again. So we'll see. No biggie. I'll live. So the first transaction you guys saw was the cereal. Got the 14 boxes. And I actually didn't spend any money on that transaction because I used gift cards from Fetch to pay for my CVS hauls a lot of times. When I make my videos, I usually don't put the Fetch calculated into things. So to me, that's just like my money that I have because I scan the receipts all the time. So in my videos, you never see me calculate Fetch into there. But if you are not part of Fetch, IBOTTA, Shopkick, Swagbucks, any of those amazing rebate apps, make sure that you look in the description box for my code. Now, the second transaction I had was I did the Oral-B, all the products. And on that transaction, I think everything came off like we talked about. And then I also got a $2 off, $12 off your next purchase that printed off with the cereal. So that was pretty amazing. For that one, it was only $1. And I was only $1.03. And I used one of my Fetch gift cards. So my total was about see there, it's $32.80 I saved. So my total for that one was about $34, but I only spent $1 and I used that Fetch gift card. So that's a 97% savings for that one. So I love those where I don't have to take my wallet out. Now my last transaction, that is when I did spend some money. It wasn't anything great, and that was where that Colgate was at. I did have those razors. And so on this one, I saved $49 and I spent $9. So I pretty much only spent $9 on everything that you saw in the video. That was 85% savings. So I will show you guys. So I spent $9 and I saved $49, and that's 85% savings. I did get back a lot of extra care bucks for next time. So I have the $2 for the Ajax. I have the $5 off for the Schick there. I have the $5 back for the Colgate, and I might try to do that one again. And then I have the $10 back in Paparazzi, because that was $5 and $5 back in the Paparazzi. So all in all, I really only out of pocket today spent $9. But if I didn't have my Fetch card, it would have been $13. And let me total everything up really quick, and I'll let you know how much it was for everything. All right, guys. So my total with the savings and everything, it was $176. And if I just took out my Fetch card, all that, I paid $13. So that's insane. $13 for $176 worth of items. I didn't even make that much. Like, if I thought about how much money I made, like in high school or in college hourly, it would take me a whole week to make $176, and I only paid $13 for it. So that's amazing. So blessed. Thank you, couponing. And guys, like always, I make blessing bags, and these things are going to go to people who need it, and also my family. We need it too. So all right, see you on Wednesday for Publix. Bye, guys.